Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So first of all, let's go to shape layers, hold this icon and choose ellipse tool, and let's hold shift, make one ellipse. Clickation tool, and for move the anchor point center, hold control, double click pen behind icon. Clickation tool, and select the shape layer, go to fill and turn off inside color, choose none, click OK. And stroke width, let's zoom in here, and stroke width change like this. Also color black. So in this time, let's go to add and select twist. Let's open twist here and change angle 0. Let's create angle keyframe and go to, for example, 15 seconds and change this 15 thousandths. Okay, and change center 200. Let's see. Okay, so right now let's open ellipse path 1 and go to first second and change size 0, create size keyframe and go to here, change 100 and make it easy. Let's see. Okay, not bad. And select these angle keyframes and make it easy. Go to graph editor, select this first keyframe and move to left. Let's move to left like this. Okay, that's good. Let's back to keyframes and select this shape layer, right mouse and pre-compose, add name, line, click OK. So select this line, let's open inside and go to select region of interest. Let's see. Okay, select region like this and go to compensation and crop come to region of interest. Okay, so let's close compensation and select this line. Let's move to here, press S, open scale and change scale. Okay, that's good. So in this time, let's go to layer, new and solid layer. Add name light and click OK. Go to FS presses, search effect fill. Select fill used for solid layer. And color, let's open color. Select blue and dark blue for night light. Click OK and press T, open opacity, change opacity like this. Okay, and select this light. Let's go to pen tool and make mask like this for door light. Clickation tool and move to down these points. And let's select this light and press M for open mask and click inverted checkbox. So in this time, let's create keyframes. Let's close and open again mask 1 for see these features. And let's create mask path and go to back. For easy, hold these points, select mask feather and select this point. Let's move to down here and this point, let's move to like this. Okay, let's see. Nice. Select keyframes, make it easy. Go to graph editor and make smooth graph. Let's see. Let's move to left this keyframe. Okay, so back to keyframes, and for remove this line, Let's go to a little bit to here and create max expansion. Go to back and change -1. Or let's try -5. Okay, let's see. Nice. So right now I want to perfect timing. Select these light keyframes and move to here. Let's see timing. Okay, select this line. Let's move to left. Okay, that's good. And in this time, select these keyframes. Let's move to here. Okay, and right now select this line. Let's go to edit and split layer, delete. And select this eye close. Let's link to head layer. Select eye open, link to head layer, and eyeball also link to head layer. Select head layer, go to solo, and select anchor point, move to down, clickation tool, and unsolo. Press R. Let's see. Okay, let's go to here, chain rotation, and select this muff layer, also link to head layer. Okay, let's see. In this time, let's select this head layer and create rotation keyframe. Move to left and go to here and chain rotation like this. And select keyframes, make it easy. Let's select work area. And let's select this eye close layer. Go to edit and split layer or Ctrl Shift D, delete. Okay, and select this eye close. Let's Ctrl D for duplicate, move to right, and go to 3 keyframes, 1 to 3, and go to edit and split layer again, delete for eye blink animation. Move to right, again Ctrl D, move to right. And select this eyeball, press P. And create new position keyframe, go to 2 keyframes. Let's move to right. Okay, and let's create new position keyframe, go to 2 keyframes and move to down like this. Again, let's select this eye close, Ctrl D, move to right. Let's move to here. And Ctrl D again, move to right and create new eyeball keyframe. Go to 2 keyframes and move to center. Let's see. Okay, this is very fast animation. Let's fix it. Select this eye blink 5, move to right, and this move to here. And let's select this eye blink, delete. Okay, and select this head layer. Let's see. And create new rotation keyframe. Go to here and change like this. Again, let's create new rotation keyframe. Go to here and change 0. In this time, let's create new mask keyframe here and go to some keyframes, select first mask keyframe, copy paste for closed door. And go to here and create new mask expansion. Go to next keyframe and select first keyframe, copy paste. Okay, so in this time, let's select this eye close layer, Ctrl D, move to here. Again, Ctrl D. And right now, select this muff layer, eyeball, and eye open, and press T, create opacity keyframe. Let's move to left and go to here, change 0. And select this line, Ctrl D, move to right. Let's move to left. Okay, that's good. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good day. Good luck.